Yeah. Got an email. An email. I got an award! I got a major award! I got an award! Baby, I got an award! You are looking at a man who has won a major award.
Really?
Yes!
What did you get?
I don't know. You know, it could be anything. It could be a 69 Torino, or it could be a Chevelle SS. It might even be a 69 Charger, which I know.
Oh yeah, yeah.
You'll love them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's supposed to be here today.
Okay.
Probably after dinner. So I tell you what. Why don't you go ahead, get in there, and get dinner started, and maybe it'll make it come a little quicker.
Okay. I'm going.
The email. Look at that.
A few hours later.
What is it? You don't know? It doesn't matter. It's a major award. A major award. It's here. Look.
Oh my goodness.
I don't know. Hey, look. Hey,
69.
It might be something from Italy. It says fragile. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Get a pocket knife out. Get into it. Pull the. Take it and cut it. I don't think it's going to be that because it's not big enough for that. Look at all the paper! Wow, this must be something really nice.
Open it up.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's beautiful.
I thought it would be bigger. You look like a deranged Easter bunny.
Thank you.
You know, there's been a debate lately. I honestly think Die Hard really is a Christmas movie.
Agreed.
I think Bruce Willis is full of it. Look at this, baby. Isn't this amazing?
Yes.
Look at that. Our first major award.
Congratulations.
Yes. I really did think it was going to be bigger. So, I'm going to do my thank yous now. Thank you to our advertisers, National Parts Depot, eatondetroitspring, and also the guys over at RRS. Thank you for your support of our show. It means a lot to us to have you guys as part of our deal. Also, thanks to Autocrafters for sponsoring Manic Mechanic. That's a big deal as well. So we appreciate you guys for being there with us and being a part of what we do on a weekly. Also, everybody out there that watches the show, for the guys who watch this thing, we thank you as well. We appreciate you guys coming in and helping us out, getting us closer and closer to that 100,000 mark that we'll probably hit sometime in February. And then we'll stop talking about subscriptions, but we're almost to 100,000 subscribers, so thanks for that, guys. We do appreciate it. We like to tell everyone out there to be kind to each other, love each other, treat each other nice, and Merry Christmas from all of us at Autorestomod and Manic Mechanic, and from my family and extended family. We love you guys. We appreciate you. Thanks for watching the show. We'll see you next year.